Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
(2022) Yamaha E01 and E02 enter production. Scheduled for launch. Let's take a deep look into it. Yamaha has revealed that the concept cars at the 2019 Tokyo Motor Show, the E01 and E02 electric motorcycles, have now entered the production stage, which I must say 2 years ago. The Yamaha E01 and E02 concepts have gone quiet with no news at all. Now that it's in development, Yamaha plans to sell it in both the European and Asian markets. The E01 will be the equivalent of a 125cc motorcycle. And the E02 will be the equivalent of a 50cc bike. Let's wait and see. In 2022 Thailand, will we be able to experience these two cars or not? Let's wait and see together.